Hi friends, it's Jazz, your favorite blue-haired fairy. And today's video is not only going to be an unboxing, it is a haul. I have 5 packages here that I am desperately excited to open. I'm so gosh dang excited. Let's start with this one. I always love the packaging that this company uses because it's so cute. Oh, okay, cool. So this was the freebie. I love this company so much because they always send a little freebie. Ooh, okay. Oh my god! It's like its own little world in there. Oh my god! So, this is probably the most I've ever spent on a crystal to this date. For those 3, technically 2, because one of them was a freebie, came to $160.50. This is from Midnight Aura Crystal, and if I'm not mistaken, because I've ordered a few from them, and some of them I've opened already, but I couldn't really like find the bank statements and stuff on some of these. I think this one cost $16.50. Is it? Oh my god, I'm dying. This is so pretty. This is another aura. You're gonna be seeing a lot of aura in this unboxing slash haul because I'm an aura whore. This order is from Loving Thyself Rocks, and I paid $20 for this bad boy. And I'm really excited for this one because this is a Larimar, and it's my first Larimar order. I was... Did I catch that on film? I was seeing Larimar pop up all over the place, and I really wanted one. This is so cute. Look at the inside of this. A butterfly! It's the butterfly! Oh my god, I wish I could just capture it on film because literally every time I'm filming, it just flies like right above my head. Ooh, this is so pretty. They put it in like a little sachet with lavender, and it smells so good. This is so thoughtful. This one is from the Crystal Fairy. This is really cute. I don't think I've ever got one of those before. How cute. It's just like a little note. That's cute. I'm gonna keep that. Okay. This is the first time I've ever gotten an order in a box like this. No, it's not. Hi. The neighbor's dog is just like staring at me. So this is the last of the packages. I'm freaking excited for this one because it is also the largest order of the bunch. Okay, so there's going to be about 5 crystals in here. So we have 2, 4, 6, what's 6 plus 5, 11? So 11 crystals in total today. We have another sachet, is that what they're called? With lavender and a little sticker. Cute. This is from a different company though, so they're on the same wavelength. Alrighty, so we got a little rose quartz as a freebie here. Cute. Rose quartz is one of my faves. And then like, I don't know what to call this shape, but a lot of people call it the Dungeons and Dragon dice because it's the shape of Dungeons and Dragon dice. Oh my god, I can't say that. D&D dice. Oh, hello there. We're getting a phone call. Hello?
That was your voicemail.
Oh, please leave a message after the beep. Hello?
I was kidding with you, baby. No, you do your video.
I love you too, by the way. You know how you were supposed to like help me with this video?
Yeah.
Now you're in it. Let's do this one. It's so pretty. I had no idea it was gonna be this pretty in real life. Holy heck, it's like a giant aura too. Heck yeah, my boy. And last but not least, the 11th and final crystal of this unboxing slash haul. I almost dropped it. Alrighty, so I'm going to show you everything all together just so you can see everything. It's so amazing. I'm so happy. Alrighty, guys. Like, look at all of these. Freaking look at this. A lot of aura going on. What is it doing? It's like moving. Hi, I'm right here. I'm the Aura Fairy. Thank you so much for watching this. I know it probably is going to be long. So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and thumbs up and give a subscribe. Also, if you'd like, turn on post notifications, and I do have an Instagram. I'll put it somewhere around in here if you want to see pictures or videos of anything that I ordered, because you already know I'm going to flood Instagram with everything that I've ordered. Also, if you like something you see, go ahead and leave me a comment, and I can direct you into where I got it from. I'll put all of the shop's names in the description box, and as well, again, if you follow me on Instagram and I post pictures, I will tag them. So I'm gonna go now because I got a bunch of crystals. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Bye.